Superfood smoothies are always beneficial, but during pregnancy, they can be a genuine game changer in ensuring you get the nutrients that you need while helping to soothe cravings or even food aversions at the same time. During my first trimester, I really disliked eating greens and protein-rich foods for some reason, both of which are really important during pregnancy. And so tucking them inside creamy, delicious sweet smoothies is really what saved me. This pregnancy superfood smoothie is the blend that I've turned to the most, and honestly, you don't even have to be pregnant to enjoy its delicious benefits. First, we'll add a banana to the blender. Either a fresh banana or a frozen banana will do just fine. Next, we'll add a packed cup of baby spinach. For a protein boost, I like to use plain hemp protein powder and not a protein powder blend. And for some extra protein and creaminess, a little bit of almond butter. One pregnancy superfood I love to add is chia seeds, which are an exceptional source of fiber and calcium. And an optional superfood I like to include is spirulina, which is like nature's multivitamin. We'll add some vanilla extract. You'll want to make sure your variety is alcohol-free for pregnancy. Some unsweetened almond milk, and some ice to make everything a little more frosty. Lastly, a few drops of alcohol-free liquid stevia to help sweeten this blend without adding any extra sugar. Rich and creamy with a sweet vanilla almond flavor, this superfood smoothie is a great way to stockpile important nutrients during pregnancy. Get the full recipe as well as even more healthy details at luminberry.com.